Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the GIB round wicker woven seagrass storage baskets with leather handles, a stunning set of 3 that combines functionality with natural elegance. Handcrafted by skilled artisans, these baskets are made from natural grass and synthetic leather, ensuring durability and a refreshing scent that brings a touch of nature into your home. Perfect for organizing your space, these versatile baskets can be used in closets, on shelves, or even as decorative planters, making them ideal for any room, from the living room to the nursery. The set includes 3 different sizes, large, medium, and small, allowing for convenient nesting and compact storage when not in use, though they cannot be folded. Each basket is a unique piece due to the hand-woven process, with minor size variations adding to their charm. Our brand is committed to your satisfaction, offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee with a promise to address any quality issues within 24 hours. Elevate your home decor with these exquisite, nature-inspired storage solutions that are as beautiful as they are practical. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.